Hey, it's Rob with the Doctor's Toy Store, and today I'm going to cover ultrasonic assisted lipo and power assisted lipo, and mainly power assisted lipo. The difference, a lot of people don't know the difference. Power assisted lipo would be your Vibrasat, your Pure Sculpt, your PowerX. Okay, that's power assisted lipo. It goes in and it just takes everything out real quickly. Your ultrasonic assisted lipo, what this does, goes in and it basically takes the grapes off the vines. Okay, and it's slower, but it leaves the vascular system intact. Okay, so it goes in and it takes all the grapes off the vine, leaves your vascular system intact, which keeps your stomach tighter. So bottom line is, you don't want to use a Vaser to start off doing liposuction. You got to debulk people. Most people are fat. They need to be debulked first, okay? So what you want to do is go in, get a power assisted lipo. You really need both. You need a power assisted lipo to go in and debulk someone. Then in 3 or 4 weeks later, a month, come back and Vaser them. Vaser's for sculpting and doing high definition. You can do the 6-packs. It takes fat out of all different places. It is easy to work with, but you really need both. You got to debulk people first. Other than that, you could be wasting a lot of your time with the ultrasonic assisted lipo. So in a perfect world, you need both. Most people are fat. They're going to need to be debulked first. Saves time and money. So you need both of them together. We have them on the Tower of Power, which you can have both of them, either or. It's your configuration. And we got the best deals in town when you're ready for a power assisted lipo or ultrasound. Call the Doctor's Toy Store, 877 DRS Toys. Please subscribe to our channel. Real news for real doctors.